Ollie, come here, come here.
Here we are in Pratt's Bottom, looking at little Ollie's monster truck collection. He's been collecting these since we went to Monster Jam at Darby County in May. How many trucks you got, Ollie?
One,
Ollie.
2, 3, 4.
And here's our assistant, Princess Aurora. And I am Spider-Man. Let's have a look at the trucks we've got, eh? We've got Gravedigger, the best freestyle. We've got Toro Loco. We got McQueen. We got the Greeny Weedy one and another Greeny Weedy one. We got Crazy Train.
Maximum Destruction. Gravedigger. Bulldozer. Captain Curse.
Captain's Curse.
Taz. Spider-Man. Gravedigger. Blacksmith. Bulldozer. Elsa like a Mohawk.
Mohawk, that's one of your favourites, isn't it? You like him.
No, I do not. Daddy,
Who's this one? This one?
Monster Dimension. Monster Map.
Next one.
Blue Thunder. King Crunch. Bigfoot.
Who's that one?
Timefly. Blue Thunder. Bigfoot.
Bigfoot! Next one.
Jurassic Attack.
Yeah, next one. No.
Blue Thunder.
Yeah. Who's this one?
Gunslinger.
Who's this one?
Medusa. Least Most Dangerous. Teenage Ninja Turtle.
No, I do not.
Iron Man.
Yeah.
Prowler. McQueen.
Bigfoot. And which one is your favourite, Ollie? Go on, pick him out and lift him up and tell me who he is.
Iron Man.
Iron Man. Awesome. Princess Aurora, who is your favourite car? Which is the best one? We got lots of cars for Christmas. Monster Mutt Dalmatian. How many did we get for Christmas? About 8. I think the hardest one to get was Mohawk Warrior. Let's say goodbye now from Pratt's Bottom. Bye! Bye!